How you doing, guys? I'm going to give you a little video of what it is that I do with the engines that I sell. I've got parts here that I haven't cleaned. I've got parts here that are clean. I've got an engine on the stand that I've torn apart. Really trying to give you more of an inside look of what it is that I do to these engines and why I sell them running and the good quality that I have behind them all. So let me show you that. Alright. So this is a 5.3 that I've already torn apart. As you can see, it's got a new oil pump on it. We've gone pretty much all the way except for pulling the cam and the pistons out. I really don't see a point to do that because I did drive this truck. I know the bearings are good. Obviously it's got good oil pressure. It's a new oil pump. I'll rotate it around. Okay, we've got the oil pan off and the windage tray is off. So you can get a good look at the inside. No rod bearing clearances are good. Nothing loose. All good, as it should be. When I took this engine apart, the oil pickup tube, I'll put it back on so you can see this. Looks like that. I don't know what they did, but this is junk. I'll come over here to my toolbox. I've got brand new head gaskets. I've got a pickup tube used, good quality. All new gaskets, new valve seals. We're sealing her up good. Timing cover, intake, water pump, rear main. Basically everything that the engine has that needs sealed is going to get sealed. Over here you've got your oil pan and valve covers that I have cleaned. Oil pan, nice and clean. Valley cover. Here's the old heads. Get a better light. Nice and gunky and nasty. Here's the new heads that I'm putting on it that have been cleaned. Nice and shiny. So what I'll do is I'll assemble the engine, clean all this rusty gunk, nasty oil stuff off, give it a good coat of paint, paint the accessories, put it all back together just as it was from the factory. And then you'll get this. This is the end product. It's running, ready 5.3. Should be able to just take this home and put it in your hot rod. I've got a transmission torn apart over here on the table. I'll have to do that in another video. I've got a transmission rebuild kit over here with a new converter. My dad's 63 Riviera that I built the engine. That's a 6.0. This engine is actually going to go in my Cadillac pickup truck. So all the engines that I sell, I do believe in. I even use them on my own vehicles. I'll get this together later. Maybe do a short video of it, before and after, part 2, I guess, of this video. Will be the long block. And if I do a part 3, it'll be of this engine that I've already got ready on the stand, running,